Here we are. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. Have you ever heard the term talk is cheap, but whiskey costs money? Speaking of cheap, check out our eBay short shifter kit. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We're taking you along on this journey to show you the cheapest short shifter kit that I found on eBay. That was new. Hey, before we watch this video, if you've been watching our videos for a bit, just go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any other content. Let's get to it. When you're doing an automatic to manual swap, one of the difficulties is well, that's not in reverse. Reverse is actually way over here. So I can never get in reverse. I always have to sit there, and people get really angry because, like, waiting, no patience, waiting, and I go over and reverse, and then I can put my shifter back on. But because it's so far over that way, I have to take this off every time. When you plan your life around the ability not to shift into reverse, that is quite frustrating. So first thing we're gonna do, wheel chalk works, is we're gonna pull this out. So first thing, disconnect this, you dirty. All right, not disconnecting the four-way flasher because you don't want to. We're just gonna take this off. I'm gonna take off my makeshift plate here that you guys haven't seen yet. Two, and I can slide this up. Oh, I don't remember it being this much more. Oh, there we go, okay. And that rubber. All right, oh, it's 10 mils, all right. 3 10 mils, and this comes out. There's a spring below here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off and we're going to unbolt it from the bottom. We should be able to pull it out. All right, everyone, we have the other pieces out. Here we are. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. So let's see how they fit. Hopefully the spring works. That should be fine. You worry too much. What's the worst that could happen? Okay, so this will be the new collar. It goes on, replacing that one, and then they come with these beautiful Allen bolts, and of course a sleeve goes in here so that this all can attach. And the most important part of all is this here, keyway. So this will sit towards the passenger side of the car. So let's go ahead and pull this in and bolt it up, and hopefully it's an easy-ish process. All right, everyone, so we've got this in. We put the plate in so that it's a little bit easier to connect through the bottom. So we're gonna go grab the bolt, and then we're gonna bolt that in place. This helps keep the spring down. If you want to shoot this out like I did, you take this plate off like I did on the other one, and then you go under, you undo the bolt, and it goes boing. So it's a little easier if you put all the plate in place first and then go under there and bolt it in place. Okay, so we've got this bolt in. It's a little tight, so I'm gonna try to use a little ratcheting electric wrench to get it in one-handed. All right, so you're tightened in place, so that's done. So I can go up top and start putting everything else in. All right, so with the new shifter in, I go through all the gears, first, second, third, fourth, and he used to like smash into here. Fifth, sixth, and reverse. Ta-da! Oh, so glorious. This right here was worth it because now I can get into reverse. It still doesn't mean that the mechanic shops are gonna like me any, but that's okay because this is better for me. Oh, so good. Let's see if this works. I've got it in reverse. Oh, there we go. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you didn't like it, smash the hate button. Let me know how we're doing. If you want to leave a comment, what more you would like to see with this car, let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hope you're having a great spring so far. And take care, and we will see you soon on another episode of Southdown Garage.